Hello everyone, I'm Crystal Miller from Landis and Associates and welcome to our first ever video newsletter. We'll be putting these video newsletters together for you periodically to get important information out to everyone in a fast and easily digestible format. So without further ado, let's get to the news. We've had quite a few changes around the office, starting with me. And many of you may have noticed that my last name changed from Eisenhower to Miller, and some of you have questioned whether or not I was the same person, and indeed I am, but I did get married to Matthew in September of last year. Some of you may have gotten to know Ludmila and Caitlin this past tax season, and we are very saddened to let you know that they have moved on from our firm. And while we wish them the very best, we will be searching for their suitable replacements to fill their roles in the next coming months. Our entire firm will be operating on a summer schedule again this year. We'll follow a 9 to 5 schedule from Monday through Thursday, but Fridays will be closing at noon. And after all the chaos of the extended deadlines over the past 2 years and all of the extra hours our staff has put in, we're certainly looking forward to a little break. As you are well aware, the United States is experiencing a period of fast inflation. Our firm is also experiencing increased prices for things like software, utilities, and so on. While we're working hard to find ways to keep our costs down to you as much as possible, as our operations costs increase, we do expect the need to slightly increase our prices going forward. We will do our best to keep you apprised on an individual basis of what you can expect your fees to be going forward. In individual news, there are many clients who are still waiting for their tax refunds and are understandably a little frustrated. Unfortunately, the IRS is holding over 29 million returns for manual processing, which means they want human eyes to look at the return. This has caused significant delays in processing returns, in addition to delays that they were already experiencing from being shut down and understaffed due to the COVID-19 pandemic. This not only affects standard tax returns, but previous year tax returns, amendment, paper filed returns, payments, notices, and so on. Everything IRS related seems to be moving at a snail's pace. Now, we've tried contacting the IRS on multiple occasions to see if there's anything we could do to expedite these returns, and they've told us repeatedly that there is nothing we can do but wait. Now, we certainly understand how this can be incredibly frustrating, but please understand that there isn't anything we can do at this office to speed up this process for anyone. Looking forward, it may be in your best interest to start this year's tax folder today. There's quite a bit of information that we'll need to collect from you this year. Starting with the child tax credits advance payments, which is the biggest news in individual taxes, and is slated to begin in July 15th. The IRS will be looking at the 2020 tax returns to determine eligibility for these payments. Most families with qualifying children will receive 6 payments, one each month from July through December. You can expect a monthly child tax payment of up to $300 per month per child for children under the age of 6, and $250 per month per child for children between the ages of 6 and 17. Now, these age ranges are for children's age as of 12/31/2021, so at the end of the year. So in my case, I have a 17-year-old who will be 18 by the end of the year, and she will not qualify to receive the $250 payment. Payments will be direct deposited into your bank account if the IRS has your account data. If the IRS does not have your bank account data, you should receive a paper check or a debit card in the month in the mail. The IRS is supposed to be launching an online portal to manage these child credits by July 1st, and if I'm not mistaken, it's already open. You can use this portal to adjust your family circumstances or your AGI, or to opt out of the advance payments should you choose to do so. Keep in mind that having the advance payments now means that you won't get them in your refund at the end of the year. Please keep track of any payments you receive. We will need to report this information to the IRS on your 2021 taxes, and you will be asked to provide us with this payments amounts and the dates that you received them in your 2021 tax organizer. And keeping track of your payments now throughout the end of the year will make it a lot easier for it to report to us at the end of the year. You will also need to report any economic impact or stimulus payments that were made to you in 2021. Earlier this year, we asked you to provide the amounts of your first 2 stimulus payments on the 2020 tax organizer. And some people struggled with this and were unable to keep track of it or didn't remember how much they had, weren't able to find their bank statements, and this creates a problem. And reporting incorrect information results in delays in processing and notices. So please take the time to find out what the amount you received in the 2021 stimulus payment and document it now. These payments should have been paid to you on or after March 17th. It's unforeseen whether or not there will be subsequent stimulus payments this year, but if so, please remember to retain that information and any government monies that you were awarded to report on your taxes. And while you're saving information for us, college statements have started coming out. Please make sure that you maintain a copy of your statement and submit it to us with your tax information. Cryptocurrency is the latest craze in investing, and many of our clients are participating. This year, we experienced some reporting issues as crypto brokerages are not retaining all records of purchases and sales. Our preparers are urging clients to keep their own records of purchases, sales, and trades of crypto because not having basis information forces us to report that sale as 100% gain. To further complicate this matter, companies are now offering crypto as credit card rewards, and more places are accepting cryptocurrency as a form of payment. Please be advised that using your crypto to make purchases carries the same tax liability as selling it. So we require all records pertaining to the purchase, sale, and use of cryptocurrency this year. In business news, Pennsylvania unemployment compensation has been causing quite a stir to business owners across the state. They have been experiencing a slew of fraudulent claims. Our own firm received an unemployment compensation claim for Jackie Glass, who happens to be the judge in the O.J. Simpson trials, and we're certain she never worked here. We have also received 2 unemployment claims for people who do work here but never filed a claim. Do not dismiss any unemployment compensation claim that seems suspicious. These fraudulent claims must be reported. In further unemployment news, the COVID-19 Relief from Charges Act allowed businesses to forego paying increased rates due to unemployment claims in 2020. This act expired at the end of 2020, which means that benefits paid for claims in the weeks of 2021 will be charged to your account unless you are granted relief. For assistance in either handling a fraudulent claim or requesting reliefs, please contact our office. The monthly subscription price of QuickBooks Online is increasing, and Intuit is doing away with our wholesale program, which has allowed our customers to purchase QuickBooks Online through us at a discounted price, and that starts on July 15th. The good news is customers or clients who are already on our wholesale program will be allowed to stay and keep their discount. However, even clients on our wholesale program will experience a slight increase in their monthly fees. QuickBooks Online will be retailed at $50, and our wholesale clients will pay $40. QuickBooks Online Plus will be priced at $80, and our clients will pay $64. QuickBooks Online Advanced will retail at $180 per month, and our clients will pay $162. Now, we know the past 2 years, our business owners are trying to make every penny count. So if you're interested in signing up for QuickBooks Online or transferring your current QBO account to our wholesale program, please contact our office as soon as possible before this program is terminated. While we're speaking of QuickBooks Online, in today's technology spotlight, there's been some new offerings from Intuit, including their own bill pay feature, e-commerce platform, and banking options. Now with QuickBooks Online, it's easy to pay bills or schedule payments directly from your QuickBooks Online account, hassle-free without printing and mailing checks. This is available for anyone with a subscription level of Essentials, Plus, or Advanced. The bill pay feature is through Melio and is free unless you're using a credit card to fund the transaction. The QuickBooks Online e-commerce platform now allows you to manage multiple sales channels in one robust platform. This allows you to create sales receipts, sales, orders, and invoices across multiple channels while syncing inventory to seamlessly update your tracking on the cloud to reflect your current accurate inventory. This is a game changer for anyone who manages, for instance, a Shopify website, an Etsy website, and an eBay website. You can manage that all from one platform now. And QuickBooks Online now has banking. Opening a QuickBooks Online cash account is free and requires no monthly fees or account minimums. They're boasting a 1% interest on all account balances, free ACH transfers, and free instant deposit. They're also offering customers custom forecasting and entry-free bookkeeping. One really cool feature about QuickBooks Cash is their envelopes feature, which allows you to tuck away cash and earn interest on the savings bucket right from inside your checking account. While all of these features and options sound great, please note that our firm has not had enough experience with these to vouch for them, but we do want to let you know that they're available. For those of you who have experienced interest in backing up your QuickBooks Online account, we now have a good solution for you. We can now link your QuickBooks Online account to a Rewind account to save backups on a daily or weekly basis. This means that if you've done something to royally mess up your books, say integrating with an outside software and accidentally downloading 1,000 unwanted transactions, we can quickly and easily restore your account to a previous version. This is also helpful if there's ever a technology glitch. Your data will never be lost. Rewind subscriptions are available through Landis & Associates for only $12 per month. Finally, goodbye Receipt Bank, hello Dext. The Receipt Bank product that our company has raved about over the past few years has experienced a bit of a facelift. It's the same great product under a new name and a new look. Dext made its surprise debut back in February and left us no time to give you a heads up, as we were notified at the same time users were notified of the name change. If you would like to sign up for any of the products mentioned on today's Technology Spotlight, please make sure to contact our office. Don't go it alone. Set it up once and set it up right. Hope you've enjoyed our first ever video newsletter. We know the past 15 months has been very hard on a lot of our clients. We've been working tirelessly to provide you with all of the relief we can muster, and we'll continue to find new and innovative ways to serve you better and more conveniently in this new virtual world we all operate in. If you have any suggestions for future content or areas you'd like us to cover in either a future video newsletter or a more detailed webinar, please forward your comments to us. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep informed and stay up to date on all of the future publication. From our work family to your actual family, we're here for you. Please call on us for anything we might be able to help you with. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.